Hi friends, Easter's upon us and Easter is synonymous with Easter eggs. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make marzipan Easter eggs using just marzipan and royal icing. The marzipan is a recipe which I have already shown earlier on my channel, and so is the eggless royal icing. So the eggs that I'm going to be doing are eggless and can be had by all. They're very easy to make, and in case if you need to refer to the recipes, I have already put them on the playlist too. So let's get started. For the Easter eggs, we will be needing marzipan. Marzipan, the recipe is already on my channel. It will be in the playlist. And we will need royal icing. This is eggless royal icing, which again, the video is on my channel. It will be on the playlist again. I have taken that eggless royal icing and I have just made different colors out of it. Apart from this, we will need an egg-shaped mold, a few sugar flowers for decorating, and a little bit of the icing sugar to dust, and a few of the nozzles to pipe on the egg. Pehle, we will take the marzipan, and before using, we will just knead it slightly. Next, I will take the egg-shaped mold. I will take a little bit of the icing sugar and I will just dust the inside of the mold. I will take a little of the marzipan. This marzipan I am using plain white, but if you want to put colors, you can put colors in them and also make different colors. We'll take a ball of the marzipan, roll it well so that you don't have any joint anywhere. It should be a smooth ball. So once we do this, just gently put a little icing sugar on your hands and rub it, press it inside and shape it. Now there is a little excess, so I will either remove that excess, unmold it. Okay, once I have unmolded, I will take a small piece of butter paper and keep it on this. This is good for handling, so that when I need to lift it or keep it, I don't have to press it, otherwise it will lose its shape. We will leave this for about 1 hour under a fan so that it gets a little set, and then we will do the icing. I have taken the royal icing, I have colored it, and I have put nozzles and made different bags so that it is all ready for me for the icing. We will make different patterns on the egg. Before we start icing, अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी icing sugar अगर ऊपर दिख रहा है, तो with your finger, clean finger, just dust it away. And now what we will do is, we will just start icing it. So we can make different patterns that we like. You do not have to follow any set pattern. You can make any pattern that you like. Now I am just doing a Corneli lace right now. This is called a Corneli lace, and it is used to decorate a lot of wedding cakes and cookies and icing. It's just random, just lines just going randomly. Now, like I said, there is no set pattern to this. You can just do whatever design you want to do it in one color, you want to do it in different colors. It is all up to you. There is no set pattern that I can tell you that we will be doing. I will just make lines. Want it very colorful, it's totally up to you, but normally Easter eggs are a riot of colors, so it signifies a lot of color and new life. So being colorful and showing the eggs in different colors, it's very attractive, and it's not just for the children, but it is even for the elders. When they see all these colorful eggs, you know, it looks very attractive, right? So as you can see, this design I have done. Now on top of it, to decorate it with the little flowers, you know, I have some sugar flowers, and we will just take a little of the green icing and just, you know, put a dab of it under the flower and just stick it where you like it to be. You also are supposed to have some leaves, so I have put this green royal icing, and we will just make a few leaves so that, you know, it doesn't look empty. And when we are doing the green leaves, they actually highlight the flowers. But it's totally your call whether you want to put them, you don't want to put them. It's absolutely your thing. Once we have done this icing, we will leave the eggs to dry overnight, because the royal icing will dry out, and the next day you can easily lift it up from here. The icing will be set and you do not have to worry about smudging this. So I will just be showing another egg where I will do a different design. Now I'm just using white icing, and I'm just doing some random crisscross design in the center. Some red icing which I am taking, and I am just doing a border like how you would do, just a zigzag. If you don't want to, you know, get into the fine lines and everything, you can just use a small star nozzle and just make a design like this. And trust me, even this, you know, does not show that you know, we were lazy and didn't want to do fine lines, but even this itself looks very decorative. The same way we can just go and do a zigzag random design. Again, we will take some flowers with the green icing and just decorate them. This time, rather than putting it in the center, we'll just put them on the side. Draw and make some designs. So as you can see, two patterns we've shown you. This you will leave overnight for it to dry, and it will be absolutely ready tomorrow to be eaten.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन, ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज़।